If your Discord notifications aren't showing up on your iPhone, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few quick steps to fix it right now. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then press and hold your profile picture. Check that your status is set to online. If it's set to invisible or do not disturb, you won't get any alerts. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Notifications and open it. Make sure Get Notifications within Discord is switched on. Then scroll further down and turn on Other Notifications as well. Also, check Reaction Notifications and make sure it's set to All Messages. Now scroll back up and tap Get Notifications outside of Discord. This will open your iPhone notification settings. Tap Notifications and make sure they're enabled for Discord. Under Alerts, tick all the boxes: Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Then tap Banner Style and select Persistent, so your alerts stay visible until you dismiss them. Finally, make sure Sounds and Badges are both turned on. You can now close settings. Open the Discord app again. If the problem is happening in just one server, go to that specific server, tap the server name at the top, then select Notifications. Set it to All Messages and make sure Mobile Push Notifications are also enabled. And that's it. Once you've done all of this, your Discord notifications should start working perfectly again on your iPhone. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.